Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Coach unboxing. It's been a while I haven't purchased anything from Coach. And this item that I've got here, it is something that I have previously owned and I totally love it. So the items that I'm going to show right now are the items that I have repurchased. Meaning to say, I've owned it previously. I still have it, yes. I love it. I enjoyed it. And the reason why I repurchased, that's because I totally love its beautiful craftsmanship. Also, the price is unbeatable. I find a lot of uses in it. And wow, this item that I'm about to show you guys is actually exceptional. I mean, that is in my own opinion. I think it's definitely worth every penny. It is a must-have to those who loves purses, obviously. So anyway, let me show you. It is actually wrapped like this. I think this one has already been sold out. It went on sale and that's it. Boom. That's it. It was sold out completely. So anyway, here is, okay, it is still in its manufacturer's packaging. Oh my gosh. I am still like, wow, I am so excited to see this once again. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, look at that stitching right there. The contrasting stitching in the closer look. Oh my gosh, this makes me, oh my gosh, I don't know. I don't even know. I can't even find the right word to describe and how beautiful this purse is. So this is a quilted field tote on size 22. And it is made up of a combination of a smooth and calf leather. Smooth and calf leather. Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The quilting is actually really, really soft. So anyway, let me just remove this stuffing right here. So I think I should have just taken the one that I've already have. So let me just put that one right there. It is still new. And I love that they kept all the packaging right there. This is, I have already used this one non-stop. And I could not even imagine that. I think this is one of my most used purse from Coach. And I know that this one is made up of calf skin leather, prone with scratches obviously, but look, the structure, the material that they used, the craftsmanship, even though that I'm not a fan of the pewter hardware, because the pewter hardware for some reason, it shows a lot of wear though. It does shows a lot of wear, but having said that, I got this on a sale price. So, which is even better, you know. The other one, I've got that less than $200. And I believe this one, few months ago, I got this a little over $200. So when I saw that one, it's available on the website, I said, okay, let me get one more because I know that this is my favorite. At least I have something that I could use and rotate. So yeah, so it's just to prolong the life of your purse. And you know, you're actually not, with this price, you're not breaking your bank for with the price. I mean, come on, it's around $200 and you get full leather. Wow, look at the look of that. Do you think this one looks so luxurious? Yes, to me it looks really luxurious though. It's priced, when you come to think of it, this one is around almost $400 if I am not mistaken. When paying with that price, I think it would still be worth it. So let me just take a look at the bottom right here. This one has feet. It shows some wear, that's normal. And I just love the quilting on this. Wow, it is amazing. This one, like I keep mentioning, that this beautiful saddle stitch right there. Wow, it is absolutely amazing. Wow, the side. And also, it came in with this strap though. I think this one is made up of a jacquard material. I rarely use this strap, and most of the time I use this top handle right here, even though I cannot really slip in right on my shoulder because it is too short. I still love to carry it right at the crook of my arm. It is perfect, and I think this is one of my best purchases ever from Coach, based on its beautiful craftsmanship, the color, the material, and the unbeatable price. So yes, she has a twin now that I could use to rotate. And wow, well, the black color, I think they have, I mean, I think that as far as I remember, they only have the Field Tote 22 came in with black. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm not really looking for any other color or a color block. That's because this color is absolutely perfect. As you guys can see on my right, that is the largest Field Tote right there. I used that to travel, and also that size is actually reminds me of the Louis Vuitton On The Go size, the largest size from On The Go, the size GM. Moving on, I have some more in here, and do you want to guess? So anyway, this is actually, I'm going to show you the next item. It is a card holder. So, oh my gosh, I purchased, so once again, this is a repurchased item. I have already previously owned one of these. I find a lot of uses in it. I think, well, I paid around $50 on this piece. I think this is around $100, if I am not mistaken, the original price, I mean, but I did not pay the original price. That's the thing, guys, with Coach. It's like, it is just a matter of waiting though, and you'd end up paying almost at least 60 or 70% off from the original price. So the previous card that I have, this one right here, oh my gosh, it's one of my most used SLG in my collection. I just love the beautiful metallic grain leather in here. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is lined with leather inside, and also it has a front pocket right here which is lined with fabric, and so beautiful. At the back right here, it is a slip pocket, and it is actually holding up pretty well. I'm not worried about the wear and tear. I know with the metallic, this color will eventually fade, or it would even peel though with the metallic, but I didn't really care. That's because I didn't pay thousands and thousands of dollars on this card holder. I find a lot of use in this. I could easily put it on my purse, and wow, this is amazing. Definitely a must-have if you love Coach. Definitely a must-have though. I would highly recommend it. And on top of that, you could use this. It came in with the chain, though I've actually never used it with the chain. That's because it is too small, and you know, it would be a little bit like, I don't know, it looks strange when I have my purse, like let's say I carry this tote and then I also put this as a crossbody. I think this is perfect. I think this one looks cute if you just wear it by itself with a chain. And then get that, I paid $50 with a chain and with this beautiful leather wallet right here. It is actually, look at that, wow, it's absolutely worth every penny, guys. It's definitely a steal, when you come to think of it. And also, the strap is removable. The chain strap is removable. You could take this one out, and you can use it in any of your purse, So that is why definitely worth it. So yeah, what I do is just put some cards inside. If you wanted to, yeah, I just lip this inside like that, close it, and it is perfect. Okay, so moving on to the next item. So another repurchased item, and it is the multicolor one. Oh my gosh, I can't get over of how beautiful this is. I love the metallic pink. We have the forest green and the gold. Perfect combination. For $50. Once again, it is worth it. It came in with a chain, leather lining inside, plenty of room for your cards. So let me show you the one that I've got. This one right here, I've used this quite a lot. For several months of using it with my SLGs, I always like to rotate it with Louis Vuitton. But I know with this beautiful color, I have to use it maybe 4 or 5 times a month. This one. Wow. And looks like let me see, the leather, the metallic coating in it, it is holding up pretty well. I didn't see any peeling at all for a few months. But then again, I conditioned this. I have a conditioner that I put it on top of it. I'm not sure if that would help though. But I know that before I use this purse, I put a conditioner on the side to soften it. Just like that. And I have put all the cards, so there were at least 15 cards inside, and that fits perfectly. You could put a lot more than 15, but this one, like, you could actually scan all those cards inside and you could just take it out with no problems at all. So that's the reason why I didn't really feel this towards, like, right here. See, there's still plenty of room left. So, like, oh my gosh, this one is really lovely. It has a slip pocket inside, and no, in front, and it also a pocket right here at the back where I put my driver's license, and it closed perfectly. It has a beautiful structure. Wow, it is so pretty. I totally love it. It's so feminine. It's so cute. I totally love it. Wow. And it is worth repurchasing this piece, guys. I mean, the beautiful color, the leather, wow, it's amazing. So this is the comparison between these two card holders that I've repurchased. Definitely worth your money. Once again, I keep repeating that. That's because I just can't get over of how beautiful its craftsmanship, the quality, and the price. That's the thing is the price. I mean, you cannot really beat the price, So especially it came in with the chain though. Right here. Oh, where's the chain? Okay, right here. This is the chain. And yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe you could check some of the websites right there that they are selling these, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be, it's probably more than the MSRP though. That's the thing, especially that they are beautiful. But yes, these are the items that I repurchased, and it is definitely worth repurchasing. And also I will be doing a review, separate review on this, and also on this one as well, and how I styled it, and also on my larger field tote right there. So I think, yeah, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.